to connect with it, like we were able to get the plugins. Now to test, let's say we will test using AWS EC2 instance, and Terraform actually provides a documentation for everything. So I'm just going to give like Terraform AWS EC2 and Terraform registry. It's the documentation part where you could get like everything. Let's say this is a data is something like which you want to read the information which is already existing. Let's say what it does, like it goes for AWS AMI and it searches for Ubuntu and it gets this ID named with this filter. Like to read an existing data, we use the data block. And resource block is something like which we want to turn up the resources like AWS S3 bucket or AWS EC2 instance or even AWS RDS, like based on what resources you want to make provision. So based on that, like these things would change. AWS instance or AWS S3 bucket or even AWS RDS, like you could check in the documentation itself, it will be available. And this would be the name which we would give to that particular resource. Let's say resource of this, but not our original resource that we'll provision. So we'll actually take this as well as an example. Let's say I'm just creating this main.tf, or even you see, okay, it created a wrong file. My bad. Let's give ec2.tf or let's main.tf. Anything with an extension of tf. So I'm giving this, I'm just changing this. It's like T2 micro because T2 micro is free tier. And web, let it be, yeah, let me make it as default itself web. And hello world, I'm just changing it to